Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject accountancy class 11 chapter 2nd and its part 2nd. We will discuss about kind of accounting principle. Accounting principle are are divided into two kinds. First is the accounting concept, second accounting conventions. Accounting concepts are covered 11 accounting concepts. In this video, we only discuss 3 accounting concepts, that is the fundamental accounting concept, going concern concept, consistency concept, and accrual concept. First is a going concern concept. The concept of going concern assumes that business firm will continue to carry out its operations indefinitely and would not come to an end in near future. It means that every business have assumed that this business will be continued in future. When this business will be continued in future, it means that business should be a long-term period rather than the short-term period, limited period. We assume that only business should be long-term period. We take example, one business that is a cloth dealer start their business not for a short-term period, for a long-term period. They prepare going concern concept. They has to it means that they follow going concern concept. Second is the consistency concept. This concept states that accounting policies, practices followed by the enterprise should be uniform and consistent over the period of time so that results are comparable. Under it, every business should follow a specific accounting principle, and this principle will be continued for future. On the basis of this, financial statements are prepared, and we can easily compare this financial statement year by year. It is very helpful for comparing the financial statement year by year when business follow any one business method, policies, practice continuously year by year. Third is the accrual concept. This concept states that revenue and expenses are recorded in the period in which they occur rather than when the money is received or paid. Any revenue, it means income, are recognized when we earn, and any loss and expenses are recognized when we paid it. That is come into the accrual concept, when we recognize it rather than we paid it. Take example, any person take anything on rent. The amount of rented thing is 10,000. 10,000. The rent paid on current time only 8,000 and 200 paid in next year. Accrual concept means that 10,000. The income, the revenue when recognized. जब हमको पता चलता है कि हाँ यहाँ से ये इनकम है, तो वो accrual concept में आ जाएगा. इस बेस पर नहीं कि कब वो रिसीव किया गया या कब पेड किया जाएगा. Every auditors who check the financial statement that this statement is prepared on accrual concept or not. I hope you can understand these 3 points very well. Thank you.